Hey guys, it's Cyros. In this video, I'm going to be showing off a program I made called Vidcord. I've been working on this on and off for about a year or so, and it's a simple one-click solution to compress your videos to send on Discord. I have compiled releases for Windows, Mac OS ARM, and Linux ARM. I might make an app image for x86 Linux too soon, but I don't know. To install it, you just pick the Windows installer exe, or the package for Mac OS or the app image for Linux. I have the FFmpeg binaries built into it, so you don't have to install FFmpeg either. And then it's just one click. I gotta close it, obviously. Boom. You're in. Just like that. And then I also have a Mac OS package installer because I absolutely hate the DMG installers that make you drag the app over. So it's gonna give you this message. You just have to go to System Settings and then go down to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and then click Open Anyway. And then this is just like a Windows installer. And then boom, move to Trash. Then it opens just like so. And you also have the Apple Silicon encoder for the silicon chips. To use it, you can either just pick any file like this, and it'll import it, and then you can adjust the start and end points with the live preview. And then you have 5 quality presets. 10 megabytes is for all servers, 25 megabytes is the old file limit, but I just kept it. 50 megabytes is if you have Nitro Basic or a level 2 server boost. 100 megabytes is if you have a level 3 server boost, and 500 megabytes is if you have Nitro Full. This also pairs well with this Better Discord plugin that lets you upload clips up to 100 megabytes by spoofing them as a Discord clip. My favorite feature is how you can just right click any file in the Explorer and compress with Vidcord, and it'll quickly import it just like this, and you hit compress. It's just a few seconds. As for the encoders, I recommend you use your GPU encoder. Sometimes some GPU encoders won't be able to compress it enough. In that case, you can just use the CPU encoder. I also have a remove audio option, which can be used for privacy or to save a little extra room for the video stream. So I'll show you a quick demonstration of this with and without the clips bypass. So I can just right click this video, compress with Vidcord, do 10 megabytes, boom, send. It's that easy. And then the quality is still pretty good. Obviously I didn't trim it, so it's going to be a little lower quality. It has a full frame rate. It's down to 480p, and it just calculates the bitrate for me. I'll also try it with 100 megabytes, just so you can see how that looks. And this is using the clips bypass, so it'll send it as a Discord clip. And as you can see, the quality is really good on the 100 megabyte version. It's basically YouTube level quality. I made this program with Python so I could easily build it for all platforms, and it's just a lot easier to maintain. When it started out, it looked like this, so I came a long way with the Fluent design. Everything is open source, and I have the building files for each platform here, so you can build the program for yourself or use the binaries that I provided. Basically how it works is it takes the duration of the video, and then it divides it into what the target bitrate should be, and then undershoots it by a little bit. I also have a check in there so it doesn't go over the original video's bitrate. So if you're essentially just cropping the video, it won't waste extra bitrate and you'll have the same quality. You may be wondering, why don't I just use a tool like 8 megabyte video? Doesn't that do the same thing? Well, with this, you have to upload the file to the server, which if you have a large video, it'll take forever. And the processing on this is extremely slow, and then you have to download it back onto your computer, and it limits your videos to 30 FPS. Everything on this program is done with your hardware locally. It's just way quicker. So basically, check it out if you want to. It's completely free, open source. You can build it yourself. It's just a passion project I've been working on for a while, and I think it's the best thing out there. So check it out.